This is your mind, and this is your mind playing these 3 amazing VR betas from Pavlov. For those that are interested in immersive VR games but prefer not to spend much money at all, you're in luck. Pavlov's for the Quest 2 offers some fantastic free games that are worth trying out. Here are 3 of the best options, and if you like them or have played them, make sure you tell me down below. First off on the list is Ancient Dungeon Beta. Now this is a dungeon crawling game that has gathered high praise for its stunning graphics and fantastic quality. The game randomly generates dungeons, which makes it highly replayable, and the fact that the beta is free is absolutely a must try, and you'll have so much fun, especially with the dungeons being randomly generated. Next up is We Are One Beta. It's a unique strategy game that demands precision shooting and careful planning. Pretty much players create clones of themselves, which is pretty cool, to help progress through each level. You're going to rely on your past and future selves to succeed. The game beta is still in development, and it's an absolutely great game, so I highly recommend you download this one and try it out because it's just so cool. Last but not least, we have Pavlov's Shack. Now if you haven't heard of this one, it's a great game. It's similar to the popular game Counter-Strike with a variety of game modes including zombie survival, deathmatch, and this game guarantees hours of entertainment. Although it's still in beta, I can't wait for this one to come out, and if you've played any of these, make sure you tell me down below because I'm real interested to see what you guys think.